Why die spotting presses are essential. Die spotting presses, the unsung heroes in manufacturing, are instrumental in maintaining precision and efficiency, playing a key role in creating everyday products. These presses ensure the precise alignment of mold halves, reducing production errors, and improving overall product quality, which is essential in a sector where even a tiny inaccuracy can lead to product rejection. Their high-speed operation boosts efficiency, while safety-oriented designs reduce workplace accidents. Known for precision, they significantly minimize waste and are versatile enough to handle various molds and dies. MetalPress Machinery is a front-runner in the die spotting press arena, offering efficient, safe, and precise machines, and services like logistics, maintenance, and financing solutions. Customers like a leading automotive parts manufacturer have seen a significant decrease in production errors and a 20% increase in efficiency with our die spotting presses. Ready to explore the benefits of die spotting presses? Contact MetalPress Machinery today to revolutionize your mold, die making process.